Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. So in today's vlog, I will be working out, of course, but I'm also going to share what I eat in a day as well. I don't know what the title of this vlog is going to be, but it's going to obviously be a fitness vlog, a workout vlog. I know I haven't been, recording. I needed a break. I know it's the last quarter of the year, obviously, so I'm gonna try to pump out as many as I can of vlogs. I won't be doing the Vlogtober because obviously it's October 14th, so I'm not doing Vlogtober. I'm not really a October person. But I do like Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I'm not doing those type of videos. Not until I hit the goal that I need to hit, the audience I need to hit. I'm not doing none of that, but we're gonna do fitness vlog today. I haven't worked out in probably like 3 weeks. So, yeah. So we're gonna get this content out. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you do like the type of videos that I post, be free to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future videos. And go check out the previous videos to see if it's the type of content you like. So we're gonna get this day started. It's currently 10:51. I was gonna work out right after my kids went to school this morning, but I just needed to take a nap, and so I did that. And so now we are well rested, and we're going to go downstairs and work out. But first, I'm not even gonna take anything today. I'm not gonna take no oxy shred or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna work out to get back in the groove of things. So let's go. So today is Monday, so maybe I do need to go take that oxy shred so that I can get through my workout, being that it is obviously I'm pushing my legs, using my legs, and you do need to have a lot of energy to do leg press. So let me go get that oxy shred and we're gonna jump into this workout.
When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0, twin. Bitch, I be growing in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right, I'm so heaven sent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes be right. But bro say y'all can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it, bitch, you know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I was sad, bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my panties at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broke it. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch. Broke it. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0, twin. Bitches can't be fucked with. Hoes ain't talking about nothing. Every time I look up, I'm the topic of discussion. I'm in a fast coupe, you in a bad mood. Fuck you, bitch, you love your pussy in the bathroom. Ew. You gon' meet him halfway, I'm gon' meet him at the bank. I'm the type to make him wait, you the type to give it up. It's hard for me to give a fuck. You gon' let him plead his case. A bitch like me can't go for nothing. Know what's in my cup. When I leave the club, consider that nigga fuck. When you mention me, don't forget rich and fuck. Pussy squeaky clean, but I got junk up in the trunk. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, broke. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Broke. Nigga not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole turn this shit like 3 and 0, twin.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. 4-4 while my niggas throw it up. And bitch, I'm out the good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I ain't no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your life for real. This nigga left come with a 32 man for real. Yeah, me and that nigga geek, we be too together. And I show his rockin' hoodies and his damn hot ass weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't never had that seven. Now niggas talk like me, your shit light as a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't know that's cool. Singing my heart out, it's my right on this fucking stool. No internet, little bitch be with this fucking tool. And I don't gotta show my ass, so hold a flex on you. Santana, I'ma flex on you. I ain't gotta show you my ass, so hold a flex on you. Okay, with the goodie, I'ma handle you. Bitches, BBs around that way like a fucking ghost. And I know these niggas bad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. 4-4 while my niggas throw it up. And bitch, I'm out the good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I ain't no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your life for real. This man left come with a 32 man for real. Yeah. This man left come with a 32 man for real. And I ain't no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag.
Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' ball, man, ain't bake. Sit back and roll a whole eighth. Smoking that shit to the face. All color cool, different race. Skate on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slammer today. From 12 if you come from the A. Straight breaking off, we ain't waiting. Skating off in the fast lane. Smoke on back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley Moussain. 2018, the new range. Go through that shit, ease the pain. Cook you a sip for a pain. Go and sack on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bitch like a saint. Tryna stack on my rank. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that rate? 24 inches and I'm finna skate. Roll this scotch right out the face. Getting the max out of stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I want them blow with a quarter. Diamonds as cold as water. Diamonds as cold as water. I'm tryna own the border. I'm ready to sold the water. Bring out them racks, I'ma bet it. Still shooting dice at the palace. All kinda cool cat with gadgets. And kinda he still living lavish. I treat these little hoes like some maggots. They stick to the kid like a magnet. They sucker for me, call me daddy. Slurface, I never forget it. You probably didn't know she was with it. That shit drip from my mouth to the tits. Had to move cause she fucked the whole city. I just down and that shit gon' be lit. You a hater, I want you to admit it. I'm expansion with personal business. On the verse, it gon' cost you some benches. I put some hoes in gym. I'm tryna mold a million. My mojo with old and stingy. Your nigga, I had to go get.
So I did that workout pretty much with nothing in my system. So I'm pretty much gonna have a protein shake for my breakfast. And the protein shakes that I drink, or yeah, is these. This is the only one I like. I don't like vanilla. It's nasty. It tastes like medicine. I haven't tried the strawberry yet, but this is what I'm going to be having for my breakfast. And probably for lunch, I'll probably make something. I don't know. But right now, it's this. Yeah, I'm going to sip on this. Go put some clothes in the laundry. Or take them out the washer and then go wash. Yeah, I'll be back with you guys later. I was going to share with you what I was going to have. It is currently 1:26 and I'm just having a salad with onion, tomato, cucumber, cheese, shredded cheese, and Caesar dressing. The Kenwood Caesar dressing, my favorite. Obviously these have become my favorite too. Bloom pop, and it's the strawberry cream flavor, and this is my favorite one. The Shirley Temple one is also my favorite. So those are the only two I drink. I've tried the other ones and didn't like them. This, and I want to try the cherry flavor. I'm sure that's going to taste like Shirley Temple, but yeah. And this is like a little snack. My little snack. This is seasonal, obviously. The pumpkin flavor. Yeah, and that's pretty much my lunch. So I'm gonna circle back with you guys later for dinner. And that's it. I'm just chill, scroll on TikTok, probably binge watch. Finish season 2 of Scandal, and that's it. Like, it's my life is very simple. I don't have to sugarcoat nothing. I'm very authentic. I don't do nothing. I'm a very chill person. I'm a very in the home person. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and circle back with you guys. Bye.